Hi, I'm Michael Gaffney, and I have the ultimate online floral class. I have been teaching flowers for 30 years with schools all over the country. Many of you cannot meet me at one of my studio classes, Chicago, New York, London, or Paris. So for the first time in 15 years, put all my classes online. It's called the Ultimate Online Floral Class, and it's yours. You get 30 classes in video form, long, full-length videos. You get all my books. I'm the author of 3 books. You get QVC products that I use for designing perfect flowers. And you get a student ID that allows you access to wholesalers around the country. So if you've ever wanted to learn flower design and you can't get out of the house, you want to stay home and learn, watch my videos. The Ultimate Online Floral Course. People have been waiting for it for years. I always just did studio classes, and now it's all online and available for you to watch and learn at your own speed. So go to flowerschool101.com and learn how to do this. It's easy. Keep blooming.